Hey guys, well, I'm back. Well, if you can notice, a lot of my inflammation is gone. I'm up moving around. I feel better. I haven't done my hair or anything with my makeup yet, but I'm fixing to go get cleaned up and get ready for Ashley and the boys are coming to visit, which I'm excited. So took my Rain products to help me get motivated and get going, because when they get here, I want to be able to play with them and visit with them and not worry about if I can bend my knees or if I can help them, with a toy or something like that, with their boats. Hopefully the rain stops so they can play with their motorboats in the water, in the pond. So anyways, I just wanted to touch base back with this core product and let you know that it does work. It truly, within an hour, you are up and ready to move and ready to go. In this is the black cumin seed. I have to look at this paper. Kale, cranberry seed, spirulina, milk thistle, and wheatgrass. And so all of those are cold pressed, and they synergistically work together in your system to help your body improve its function. So, I don't know what else to say. I've been taking this since almost a year now. February last year, I started taking it, and that's when I got out of the bed. I was in the bed for 2 years. So if I'm a testament of anything, this product works. And if you have any doubts, then the only thing you can do is try it. Once you try it, then you'll want to use it, and you'll want it every day. It genuinely gives you energy. And the energy comes from the reduction of inflammation in your body. Number one disease promoter is inflammation. So if you can look at my face, I don't know, I'm sitting up now in the chair, but the inflammation has gone. I still have fat. I know that. I'm working on that. I lost 5 pounds so far this year, so I'm still working on it. I've got till June to get down to my 130 pounds. So I'm cutting out carbs and cutting out sugar and taking my products. And when I want something sweet, I go to my products because they have a sweet taste to them, and it satisfies that sugar craving that I was having. So yeah, it also helps with weight loss. So just letting you know. So you guys, get on my website, look at my products, look at the program, look at the partnership, look at the compensation plan. You can't go wrong with it. You're not gonna go wrong with it. You're not gonna be investing in. This is the future right here. This is the future. This is what we've got to rely on to get us the nutrition that we need, because it's not in the food, because the soil that our food is grown in is depleted of the nutrients that we need. And so this right here has been specifically grown or specifically seeded with the nutrients that we need, coming from the seed, the hull, the oil. It's all cold pressed. It's all put back into the packet. So it's just like taking a chia seed straight down your throat. So if you do chia seeds or hemp seeds or any of those other, you eat walnuts, you eat pecans, cashews, almonds. If you eat any of those seeds, you can eat these seeds too. So seed nutrition is where it's at. Okay? I got this right in my face so you can see it. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. And y'all have a wonderful Saturday. And subscribe to my channel and like it. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.